Today is still December at about 408, about an hour to go. Market currently trade a narrow range bar with below average volume, up 5 point at 2816. Now after this wide range reversal bar, the next 3 session we have narrow range bar. This is a sign of weakness. There could be further downward move. Support right now is at this level here, which is actually not very significant. This is at 2792. More significant is at 2007. We are currently trading below this resistance level here, which is about 82839. So these are the level we like to watch. Unless it actually take above this, go above this level, more likely the market may actually retrace. Now generally the market will do two things after a very strong move like this: either do a reversal or start in a trading range. Now let's take a look at the bank stocks. This is DBS. Now DBS in this case here is more likely to be in a trading range. Volume is actually low. Again, these are just feeble throwback. At this point in time, after these strong moves, we need extreme patience to wait it up, because right now trading any breakouts carry higher risk. Now you'll see similar patterns in OCBC. Again, we have two threatening bear bars, but right now it generally trades sideways. Again, it may actually fail. We just have to observe. UOB appear to be more negative. If you notice, we have this very strong engulfing bar here, and we have a high volume reversal bar here. This is a throwback right now. Notice the throwback today is very low volume. So again, it may actually move downwards. So at this point in time, as I mentioned, we just have to actually patiently watch for the price developments before we take any actions. Capital Corp. Again, very similarly strong move, and we have two wide range reversal bars, and currently we trade a series of sideways bar with very low volume. So again, we like to take advantage of this momentum here. Now remember, 1326 are still rising, so even if you take any shots below this low here, it's going to be a hit and run, 529. Okay, but of course, it'd be better if you just observe rather than take any short positions. It's just that looking at the chart wise, further retracement is possible. Now, Sembcorp Industry, the stocks has been moving up gradually. It moved ahead of the markets and currently trading a series of sideways bar. Technically, there's a contraction set up here. It's at 189. If you take this, it's likely to be hit and run, because actually the stock has been experiencing fatigue. It's moving up with decreasing volume. Okay, so this is something which we need to be mindful of. Now, Sembcorp Marine is a stocks that are actually pulling back after the first inbound trend. Again, you prefer if you can start within this bear bar here, and that'll be generally nice, and look for a break above this high here, recent high here of 177. iFast, this stock again, like Sembcorp Industry, run ahead of the markets and it's consolidating right now, which is perfectly normal. Need to digest the recent gain. So again, we just have to patiently wait it out and eventually take out this high here of 396. Now Hy-P to be holding well among all the manufacturing stocks. Notice actually it managed to clear this resistance here. Alright, but of course it seemed to be experiencing some fatigue here. This is a series of overlapping bar. Again, technically we have a contraction set up. Bar high here it's at 179. Now if you compare that with, let's say, UMS, you notice much weaker pattern, obvious overhead resistance. Likewise for Franken. Alright, again, very obvious overhead resistance. Now AAM used to be the leader, but it's experiencing fatigue and accessory moved down quite some time back. If you notice, actually this appeared to be a resistance which have difficulty in clearing, and it's testing this downward trend line. Okay, we just have to observe, and of course mentioned before, we have a series of sideways bar here which provides some kind of support. If you look at ventures, The stock is actually moving sideways after this strong downward move. I'd like to look for a decisive break below this low here of 1865.